You know, maybe we should only do one dish today. What do you guys think about that?
I'm down.
Yeah?
I mean, it's only 6.
I'll do 2, but whatever you want.
Another one.
Okay, I mean, we can split it up into 2 different episodes.
I'm having fun.
I said I'm down to do at least 3.
Wow.
Alright, cool. Yeah, that's really cool.
Is 7 inches too small?
Damn, that is
Like
5.
for a pencil?
It's cool.
I don't know, a number 2 pencil that's 7 inches is kind of
drip,
a big pencil. It'll last you
You know,
quite a
yeah,
long
they
time.
say that smaller pencils are
Simper.
better, you know.
It's
They,
more,
they
it's
do
more,
the same.
it's-
They do the same thing, right? I mean,
Right,
nothing
but you
else.
gotta work more detailed sometimes.
What does this even do? I don't know. So, how do we get the stuff out?
We gotta wait.
Mine's done.
No, it's not.
How do you know?
you could use some kind of spatula configuration.
Set a timer for 1.5 minutes.
Dude, mine smells.
Star, you're gonna win.
1 minute and 30 seconds. Counting down.
High-tech future, excuse me.
I don't know what that was.
That was in the future.
Are you glitching right now?
Fancy watch, yes. You know what's really good?
Niagara Falls?
Having to go pee. The sensation
Whitewater rafting?
The sensation of holding in
If
your
you want to
pee.
film, let me know. If not, it's cool.
Have you ever
Just,
peed on anyone?
Pick it up and
No.
Would
Gotcha,
you?
gotcha. Oh,
I mean,
missed
isn't squirting technically kind of sort of
If you want, it's
therapy?
cool. If not, I'm just
It
gonna
comes
say
It's
from
still
the same
divisive.
vicinity.
Nobody knows for sure.
It comes from the same hole.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. So somebody's peed on my bed. They're trying to show their dominance by squirting.
But are they showing it or are you making them show it? Because you definitely need someone to get that spot.
Yeah, cheers to that.
Cheers! Dare you chug it.
You chugging more?
You are chugging?
Dominance. Get some glitter on
So anyways, no, that's part of my hair, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
You have some glitter in your hair?
I work at a club. Karamadatuk says, how are you? Star is a real nice and cute streamer. Enjoy with her cooking show. You're doing good work.
It's time to take it out.
Aw, that's nice.
Thank
Really?
you. Yeah. Who said that? Oh, Kara! Kara, thank you. Kara always comes in and says I'm a very emotional person, though, because I cry all the time when I'm happy, sad, or mad.
That's very
Yo, I've
observational.
never seen Rex legs.
Wait, Kara, you never say much about
Yo,
me.
I've never seen Rex legs.
Well, let's see Rex legs.
Yeah, I've never seen Rex legs either.
Nobody's seen Rex legs.
Oh, what? Oh, because you're always sitting down.
So
Or on a
bad.
railing.
Who said that?
Jalapeno.
You guys ready?
One sec.
all of us?
One sec.
I don't know.
Jalapeno
I'm taking mine now. You
pump.
guys can keep yours, and I'm going to give mine this
I'm trying to keep it in.
moment.
How y'all feeling?
You know, it's just to make it stops.
I gotta get this on camera, okay?
That's half my life saving.
Let me clean you up, chat.
Believe what I just said?
No, I believe that
Like
you
that?
can do it.
Because it's like 80%.
Let's see.
Oh, this looks so tasty.
Oh!
Wait, can you do that again for YouTube?
Yeah, do that again for you.
Yeah, you missed the actual like pulling.
Wait, what?
I don't think I might have.
Did
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
Let me do it again.
Yeah. This is the magic of
One
YouTube.
more time. Nice one, now.
Yep.
Ready? Wait. Open.
Fuck, that's amazing.
Here, I'll pull now.
Almost made me pee a little.
Nobody touched me.
Oh,
Oh, yo, Lee.
come back here. Ready?
Yeah.
Get a little closer.
What is that? What's that necklace? Looks like a spinner.
No, it's Versace.
Oh, that's amazing. I like that.
Good though.
Those are looking pretty good, honestly.
Alright.
You want to say hi? Ooh, that was close. Damn. What's up, little doggies?
Shit. I didn't think that through.
What?
Can you grab this camera real quick while I find a place for them to put... Hold on, wait a sec. No, what? That's gonna be hot as fuck, isn't it?
Omelette you so much.
Ooh.
Wow. That was really good.
I think honestly we can probably put it on these, right?
BTS.
Wait, don't use that one. It's got little chips on it. We need the presentation.
Did you dye your hair or something?
This is my natural hair.
Really?
Yeah.
What was it last time?
Red.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, nobody took mine out, huh?
I got it. I was taking mine
Unbelievable.
out. I got it. You want me to do it?
I got it.
You should get him taking his own out. 'Cause he's too messy.
I got a piece of shoulder.
I know, me
What?
too.
That was all fake.
Here, wait, no, put that on there real quick.
Where?
Put this on there real quick. I don't want to.
Oh my.
Those are not my counters. I mean, yes, they are. I live in this mansion.
Oh!
I'm gonna put this down. Here. I'm gonna put-
Damn.
You gotta put both your hands in the towel.
Rick, you get yours?
Nope.
It smells cooked. It was at a high.
Ah! Dude, stop doing that.
I don't know how to do that. I don't cook. I mean, I cook all the time.
Star, do you want to help?
Yeah.
Did I do this right? Just
Yeah,
like this?
Put both of them. Yeah, like that.
Ah! It's not even a half. I
Scream for
painted.
me, Daddy.
Jesus.
Dude, she's
Show's
too
over.
horned up.
Show's over. Show's over. Show's over.
She's entirely too horned up.
Yeah. Good.
I just wanted to scream. It's not sexual. God.
I
It's
just
like
wanna
when Dad
pee.
screams.
I just want to pee.
God. Go pee then.
All right, Ricky. Oh, you're using that. Okay. Damn.
This is your opportunity, Tony K, to film this flick. What is this flick? What's the narrative? Huh? What happens in the end? What's the twist?
Beautiful.
So bad. Oh.
I can't stand straight up because of the pee.
Why don't you go pee?
All right, folks. So now pick your garnishes. Make it look all fancy.
Hold on. My phone is dying.
Garnish?
Yeah.